we have given equation of a line and a point. We have to check if this point is on the line y equals negative 3x plus 6. We use substitution method. We know that first coordinate is our x and the second is y. So we can write that x is equal 2 and y is equal 0. So now we have to come back to our equation. We have y is equal negative 3x plus 6. So now we have to substitute x by 2 and y by 0. So we have on the left side 0 is equal negative 3 times 2 plus 6. So 0 is equal negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 6. So we have 0 is equal negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Both sides are equal. So it means that our point B is on the line y equals negative 3x plus 6. This is my solution.